Hello guys, this is day 41 and uh, today's I had go to no, today's I went to Geeta class and I went to Geeta class every 15 days, every fortnight. So today is the day and in our Geeta classes we are reading on chapter 1 and I think we are on sloka number 11 on 10. So basically, I want to tell you about something about Geeta class. So today, I have learned very special thing. So I want to share with you that. So the teacher said, the guru said on Geeta classes, we should like in our life we should have five people who bother you, who can who always think about you very positive, and he or she might share with you your honest feedback. So uh, let me remember the five person or five things you should have in life. First one is your parents, mata pita. Mata pita is the well wisher of every human being. Like they always suggest you which is good for you. Second one is you should have one guru or one well wisher who can suggest you better for you. And third, you can take a help of our shastras, our books, where if you are facing any problem and if you don't find suggestion, let's say they like he particularly spoken about husband wife relationship, so maybe you can take example of Sri Ramchandra. So like we have all the story in our sculpture in our book, so definitely we can take help that also. And number four, I forget, I think number four or fifth one is the again you should have your number four is one knowledgeful person, one knowledgeful person who had the knowledge of shastras, who has the knowledge of life. Let's say maybe someone in old in age, so he has the she has the experience of life. Okay, the fourth one is this, and fifth one also someone from your relative or your elder. These five people you should have in your life. So basically, every time you don't use your brain, use your mind, because like there's an example in a Mahabharata. Arjun always follow the Krishna. That's why they won the war. Correct? And Duryodhana don't take advice from anyone. He does what he think. Okay, so he don't obey his guru, his father, mother. You know the nature of Duryodhana. So basically, we should take advice from those five people. So this is coming from here. It means those five people you can choose your own. You can choose your guru very wisely. Mata Pita obviously you can't choose, but your friend, your well-wisher, your knowledge person, whatever person you follow, you take advice, so you can choose or you should choose those, and it could be changed time by time according to the time. So this is the crux of today's today's Gita's chapter. And when I went to Gita classes, so I feel very positive. The benefit of Gita classes because I think Gita has every answer of every question. So yeah, today I feel very excited or very happy, and that's it. So guys, मिलते हैं कल के ब्लॉग में. अभी के लिए बाय बाय. And you know like why I am making these videos. So basically everyone talks about knowledge कि आप कैसे सीख सकते हो. Like on a YouTube, on a our area, there are multiple YouTube videos who teaches you. Okay, Okay, that's follow the sentence, follow this, but no one shared their journey. Like how? Suppose if I follow you, so what will be the result? So I'm the person who try to learn English from various platform. In one video, I will reveal my education. Then I reveal all the thing like where I went for English speaking course and what I learned from them. So here I show you my journey. Let's say I learn little things. I do this much practice on daily basis, and I explained already why I am doing this much practice, like little practice every day. Why? So yeah, I'm here to share my knowledge. When I get something new or very excited, so definitely I will share with you. And like I use two apps, CV and the real life English app for my daily English practice. So that I do on a every basis, on a daily basis. So yeah, I think that's it for today. मिलते हैं कल के ब्लॉग में. बाय बाय.